We're going to Katie Phang, attorney and host of the Katie Phang Show here on MSNBC that ended about, I don't know, what, 3 minutes ago? Anyway, Katie, thank you so much for sticking around for this. What does Jack Smith want Judge Cannon to do here?
So as you heard from Julie, it's a modification of your bond conditions. So any criminal defendant who is arrested and being prosecuted has bond conditions, and they vary. Not only do you have to post a monetary bail amount, but then when you're out on public release and you're not being held in custody pending your trial, you have to behave. And what you hear from special counsel Jack Smith is, we're not trying to limit Donald Trump's First Amendment right to free speech. Any criminal defendant does have that right. But here's the rub. When you are a criminal defendant, though, that cannot run counter to justice and the fair and proper administration of justice. And Jack Smith is calling out Donald Trump for his post and the fact that he has the ability to expand and to amplify potential hatred, violence, and some really wrongdoing against members of law enforcement, because Donald Trump knows that he's lying. He is lying about what happened and the conditions for that search warrant that was executed on Mar-a-Lago back in August of 2022.
So, this motion, it says that Trump's words, and you're saying this, they put a target essentially on the backs of FBI agents, and it points the judge to an armed attack on an FBI office in Ohio after the Mar-a-Lago search. And Katie, some of the agents who took part in this search, they may be witnesses against Trump. So does that give compelling reason to Judge Cannon to take urgent action on this?
Well, Alex, we kind of have to balance our expectations against the fact that this is Judge Aileen Cannon, who so far has not necessarily shown, I think, a measure of respect for the concerns that have been raised by Jack Smith. Remember, there has been litigation along the way. There have been battles in the courtroom over what can be publicly disclosed. Aileen Cannon taking a very casual approach to something that involves not only classified documents, national secrets for the United States, but also when it comes to the people, the employees, the personnel, the law enforcement that have involved in this case. And Aileen Cannon has taken the approach of erring on the side of more is better, when Jack Smith has said, no, less actually is better. And so in this instance, when you have a discovery process where the names of law enforcement agents that participated in the execution of that search warrant, that have been a part of the process to be able to bring this prosecution, there is a valid concern on Jack Smith's part that the more information is out there that's publicly accessible, the more of a risk it poses for the literal safety and the lives of those law enforcement.
Okay, Katie, I'm going to ask you to do just a little more OT and stay with me because we have much more to get to. And